Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 16, Introduction to the Display Network. In this lesson, we will introduce the Google Display Network, GDN, and how to use it in your pay-per-click, PPC, advertising campaigns to reach a wider audience and increase brand visibility. 1. What is the Google Display Network, GDN? The Google Display Network is a collection of websites, apps, and other online properties where your ads can appear. It allows you to reach a large audience of users who are browsing the web, using apps, or watching videos across a wide range of platforms and device. 2. Benefits of using the display network. Reach a wider audience. The display network allows you to reach users who may not be actively searching for your products or services, but are still interested in related content. Increase brand visibility. Display ads can help increase brand awareness and visibility by appearing on relevant websites and apps that your target audience visits. Targeting options. The display network offers a variety of targeting options, including demographic targeting, interest targeting, and remarketing, allowing you to reach specific audience segments. 3. Types of display ads. Text ads. Similar to search ads, text ads on the display network appear as a headline and description, often accompanied by a display URL. Image ads. Image ads are graphical ads that can include images, logos, and branding elements to attract users' attention. Rich media ads. Rich media ads are interactive ads that can include elements like video, audio, and animations to engage users. Responsive ads. Responsive ads automatically adjust their size, appearance, and format to fit the available ad space on the display network. 4. How to create display ad campaigns. Create a new campaign. In Google Ads, select Display Network only as your campaign type when creating a new campaign. Set your targeting options. Choose the targeting options that best suit your campaign goals, such as demographic targeting, interest targeting, or remarketing. Create your ads. Create compelling ads that are tailored to your target audience and match the format and requirements of the display network. Set your budget and bidding strategy. Determine your budget and choose a bidding strategy that aligns with your campaign goals and budget constraints. 5. Monitoring and optimization. Monitor your campaign performance. Regularly monitor the performance of your display ad campaigns using Google Ads Analytics. Optimize your campaigns. Use the data from your campaign analytics to make adjustments to your targeting, ad creatives, and bidding strategy to improve performance over time. By leveraging the Google Display Network in your PPC advertising campaigns, you can reach a wider audience, increase brand visibility, and drive better results for your business.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.